Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to cut a bell pepper. Whether you're cooking stir fry, salads, or just want a snack, this method will save you time and give you perfect slices. First, wash your bell pepper, then place it on its side and cut off the top where the stem is. Now stand the pepper upright, you'll see the core and the seeds in the middle. Carefully cut straight down along the sides, following the natural curves. This way, you're removing the core in one piece without seeds spilling everywhere. Once the core is removed, cut it in half and use the smaller pieces to chop it into your desired size. I like to cut it into eighths for small bite-sized pieces. Once you've cut it to your desired width, line all your pieces up evenly and cut them just like I do. Again, the total size is up to you. And that's all there is to it. You can discard the core and the top, or if you're like me and have a garden, save those seeds. Thank you for watching.